Again, here at Waters Garden Center, April's companion plants is a really tidy little perennial flower that grows in the shade of the gardens. These are columbines, songbird columbines. Take a look. Now we have a native variety that grows yellow here, and it's just solid yellow, and that's nice. It grows by itself. But two-toned columbines, there's nothing like it. You're only going to find songbirds at Waters Garden Center. We'll have them in, I think, 6 different colors. You've seen 2 just this week, and every week they rotate through. What a great plant to combine in your landscape for the shaded areas, grows in containers, raised beds, just right out there in the yard. You're going to love your backyard again.